Exercise 8. The jugglers hired in the circus are Jack Brumlov and Anthony Gatto. Jack juggles with knives and Anthony juggles with balls. Extend the program given below to represent jugglers, Jack and Anthony, and the juggling items, balls and knives. Once done, modify the juggles method of juggler class to accept the juggling item with the parameter name juggling item and display the following message. Name of the juggler, let's say for example Jack is juggling with balls or knives. Invoke the juggles method for each juggler and make them juggle. Verification is done only for the class structure. So we have two classes, juggler and juggling item. So all we need to do is we don't have to do anything with the juggling item, and we need to play with this alone. We'll have to work on the juggles method alone. Look at this. We simply say a juggling item is already passed as a parameter because we are not going to create object and do all that. We are going to pass knives and all that. Currently what we are going to do is you may pass, you can create an object juggling item here. You may pass knives or balls. For this you may create an object juggler, a name, and then you can call this. Otherwise, with simply verification is done only for the class structure. What we are doing is we simply say name of the person is, we are following this exactly this name of the person, self.name gives his name. So then we say juggling item is being passed as a parameter from here. So get name, then you can verify this. All the test cases are processed. Exercise 9. Many online companies sell products, advertise themselves and hires a courier service to deliver the products. The company is identified by its name, CEO and year of establishment, which means these three will be attributes of the class. The courier services collect the fee from the company once the transportation of the good is over. Each courier service has its own address and name. So these are two attributes for courier. Create the class diagram for representing the above scenario by choosing the class name, attributes, methods and relationship from the list given. Assume that all instance variables cannot be accessed outside the class, whereas methods can be accessed. So which means all instance variables are private, methods are public. So we'll have to take simply add classes, two classes you do that. Then we take two class names. One is, let's say company is a class name. Many online companies sell products. Let's say company. Then let's say courier is also class name. So to make an attribute private, you need to click here. It becomes private. Here also it has a relationship like is a, has a. It must have one more relationship. Currently we have only two. So this is it. CEO name here is the company attribute. Name address is the courier attribute. We have method, transport and collect fees is the methods of courier. These are advertise, deliver goods and sell products or methods of company. So if you look at this, once you submit, you will get a tick mark like this. Company class is correct, courier class is also correct. But relationship, these are all are missing. But unfortunately, we do not have a relationship named users. If you try any of the relationship, it will say wrong. You click on this yellow color and then drag and drop it here. Leave. If you submit this, it will tell you that company uses a courier. But what we say company is courier is not right. It is incorrect. In the Infosys ILP, the training program, they have this another attribute. I came across that they have another attribute and relationship called uses. The relationship uses. So the relationship is there. Currently it is not there. So that is why it says incorrect. So to remove this, double click on this, it will be removed. So currently what we can do is in this exercise, all we can do is we can set attribute for classes. We can make a class diagram ready. That is the only thing we can do now.